Hi, I'm Henry Gilliland, an automation specialist with ES&E. In this video, we'll be unboxing the Armor Kinetix Power Interface Module. The Power Interface Module provides the user with a connection interface to send DC power and Ethernet communications to the distributed drives and distributed motors of the Armor Kinetix system. This is an extension of the Kinetix 5700 platform. Let's open this up and see what's inside.
Now it's time for an unboxing montage. Are you ready? Let's go! When you gotta get the video done in time, speed up the reel and do a montage. Putting together a new piece of gear, oh yeah, let's make a speedy montage. Montage, montage, getting it done via montage. The way to unbox is timely and true, it's gotta be a montage.
So included with the Power Interface Module was a ground clamp, and this will be used actually to ground the shielding for the DC bus cable that goes out to the field to the distributed drives and motors. Also included is this I/O connector. So this will have some digital inputs that will be available and configurable via the software, so Studio 5000 Logix Designer. So that'll be configured in the axis or module properties. And then in addition, there was the 24 volt control power connector. So that's how you're going to actually get 24 volts to this module. And then lastly, there's this DC bus bar connector kit that actually allows you to interface with the Kinetix 5700 DC bus supply. And then as you can see, there's a spot here. If you have an additional module on the other side, you can continue on with that DC bus. So this connector can go on either side like this and allows you to chain the bus. So then there's a little cover here for two fuses that are going to protect the drive. So you can remove that cover and replace those fuses as needed. We can see our factory label here that shows us the part number, serial number, MAC address, all kinds of information there. So on the front here, along with that I/O connector kit, we have dual Ethernet. So this is for device level ring or linear type topology, so you can jump from one drive to the next. These two ports are switched together. We have these push buttons here. This is so you can navigate through the menus, the various menus on the LCD screen to configure the drive. Things like IP address, and then also see diagnostic information, fault history, things like that. So that's our Armor Kinetix Power Interface Module. Again, this is a Kinetix 5700 platform extension, so it fits right along with the Kinetix 5700 system. If you'd like to learn more about this product or you want to figure out how to get one, please contact your ES&E account manager today. Thanks for watching.